When the book was listed on the ad slot in top new releases on the Flipkart last week, I was brimming with joy, coupled with tremendous degree of sense of satisfaction, and the same imparted enough reason to cheer about. It is still commanding second position under bestseller under the genre environmental protection and conservation, and that is, I think, amazing for a debut writer like a modern writer like me. Please do not accuse me of undue advertisement. It is my opinion, however, that the book we have launched today need to be read by students at the school level, intermediate level, collegians, researchers, sophomores, policymakers, and policy planners, considerate, caring, and aware citizens, documentary makers, and even housewives to drastically cut down on energy bills. Before I take my seat, I want to pass a final comment. I do not claim perfection. Anyone who dares make his opinion known must reckon with a form of criticism. In the same vein, I do expect criticism from my discerning readers. I beg you, though, not to criticize me for the sake of criticism. Instead, I implore you to make your criticism constructive in a manner that would help me improve on my future writings. Finally, yet importantly, I also wish to express my gratitude to Honorable Mr. Abhijit Basu, my designated editor, for the comprehensive editorial work he carried out on the manuscript to give it a final beautiful touch. Thanks are also due to Ms. Chandralekha Mehta for coordinating the edit work, and she constantly solaced me and to keep my wonderful spirit. Sometimes I was desperate and she used to write me. So that was the phase I underwent, but she constantly persuaded me. I admire a lot Miss Ritika Merchant. She may or may not be present here. She is not here, but I admire a lot Miss Ritika Merchant for imparting highly fascinating cover art. Highly fascinating. This fish out of water. It attracted thousands of hearts. I am receiving feedback from many persons from abroad, from USA, from Australia. They are sharing. Many of the administrators of big community page honor, environmental community page honor administrators, they are on my friend list. They are my friends, environmental activists. They are sharing this photo. So this is amazing. And profuse thanks to Ms. Fawashi Aga for the beautiful cover design, and Mr. Ajisha for the amazing layout. A special thanks to Messrs. Repro India Private Limited to give the book a world-class look with the finest quality standards of printing. Individual thanks to each member of the Lead Star Publishing who indirectly contributed in making this monumental project a great success. Finally, I cross my heart with reaffirming this heart-rending statement that is in Hindi. जैसा कि लोकेश दिए, मैं कोई बहुत ज़्यादा हिंदी का शायर वगैरह नहीं हूँ, और लेकिन थोड़ा मैं हिंदी में अपील करना चाहूँगा इंग्लिश में इतना बोलने के बाद. हिंदी इज़ माई मदर टंग एंड आई एम प्राउड टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. ये विशाल धरती इसमें अपनी ज़मीन तलाशते संवारते करोड़ों लोग. इस विशाल धरती के सीने से बहता हुआ लहू, खंजरों से हाथ इसका दामन, पृथ्वी माता के इस चोटिल दामन और आंचल को महफूज रखने के लिए आज हमें वचनबद्ध होना ही होगा, नहीं तो आने वाली पीढ़ियां शायद हमें कभी माफ़ नहीं कर पाएंगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लेंडिंग मी योर टाइम. may the Lord richly bless us all. Thank you once again. Thank you indeed.
बने सिंह जी, बहुत सारे बधाई हो आपको.
Thank you.
A lot of good wishes from everyone out here present with us. We're going to have a few moments for the opportunity of those of you who have your questions to be accommodated. But we'll roll into that in just about a few moments. बने जी, जैसे कि आपने बनाया ये सब एक ही बुक में, एक ही किताब में, I think it deserves much more than a PhD or a doctorate to you, because it's absolutely classified information which has been collected from around the world, and this is what we really mean about the book. And firstly, I have one question which I'd like to ask you. बहुत सारे जन हैं जो बोलते हैं कि देखो, अगर मदद चाहिए, हमारे पास वक्त नहीं है, पैसा चाहिए तो पैसा ले लो, नहीं तो indirectly we can help you some way if you want. But city slickers as we are called, जो शहर में रहने वाले, नहीं तो गांव में भी आजकल बहुत तरक्की की है, वो अच्छी बात भी है. it's becoming very difficult for people to be directly involved in genuine social causes. Lekin, when we see you, I have got you here as once upon a time Water Resources Department senior gazetted officer who has quit his job, very secured environment of a job profile, to take on a mission for environment protection. I think it definitely is a very big achievement on his personal application towards society. So congratulations for that. I mean, you are getting all this post the book launch, but you were all alone on your mission when you started and you took a big challenge. तो इसके बारे में अगर आप हमें कुछ बता सकते हैं, how did you take this big challenge on? Very inspirational.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I was enjoying the gazetted post for pretty long years, 24 years. And I was having a very wonderful profile. I was the topper of State Engineering Services. But actually, जो जैसा मैस्लोस की जो हायरार्कियल नीड है, द फिफ्थ नीड, द रियलाइजेशन नीड. So I was inspired by that, and I decided, क्योंकि because my project was not, I was not able to complete it. It was demanding the full-time devotion, 14 hours, 15 hours, and sometime I was under great depression, and finally I decided to quit the job. Either I have to make sacrifice, I have to forget all the glamour, all the gadi, ghoda, bangla, and sarkari, these, So I am no more enamored by this, I have had enough of it. I have had multi-chromatic assignments. I had been assistant project officer, I had been assistant director, deputy director, I had been technical assistant, engineer in charge of big estate, and so many, for 24 years. I changed for 12 years. I had been officer in charge for MPLAD scheme, MP dealing with several MPs and MLAs. Okay, that was enough of it. But actually, when sometime in your life, मेरे को लगा कि environment के लिए कौन बातें सब करते हैं, but I challenge कि आप इसको sacrifice करके देखें. 1 out of 1 crore will come forward. 1 out of 1 crore. I challenge. Nobody can sacrifice. Even my personal experiences, Mr. DeCosta has asked me to give some light. Okay, my family members, जैसा होता है सब जगह, my family members were very unhappy, and entire family turned hostile. And एक author जो है उसके दिल पे क्या गुजरी होगी जब when I was doing lot of labor, lot of work, and after that I was having self-declared, my wife was having self-declared, अनबोला. And okay, मैं अकेला चलता हूँ, कई लोग जुड़े. लोकेश जी मेरे साथ आए. लोकेश जी ने कहा मैं आपका बड़ा भाई हूँ, मैं आपके साथ हूँ पनेश सिंह जी, दुनिया चाहे नहीं रहे. But in 24 countries, people are my fan. They are encouraging me. Now my family members, वो थोड़ा बहुत अब खुश हुआ है when the book is hitting. And but लेकिन I have underwent under very difficult situation, very pathetic moments. My father, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my brothers, everybody turned hostile because I quit the glamorous job. तो ओके, किसी को ये होता है, अच्छा लगता है, ग्लैमर कितने दिन तक एंजॉय करोगे, ये सब चीज़ें हैं, ये सब एक ट्रांजिएंट है.